Good Tuesday morning, everybody. I hope you're getting off to a great start today. So today you're going to be talking about classifying quadrilaterals. So we already know what some quadrilaterals are, or what is a quadrilateral. Remember, a quadrilateral is two pairs of parallel sides. So some quadrilaterals are rectangles, are squares, they could be rhombuses, like a diamond shape. So another quadrilateral we could think about is we're going to be learning about today is a trapezoid. So I have an example of some of the other ones. Also, another word that we should be reviewing about is a parallelogram. So a parallelogram is the same thing as a quadrilateral. It's two pairs of parallel sides that create a shape. So my parallelogram, I have my rectangle, I have my rhombus, and then I also have my parallelogram, which four equal sides that are parallel with each other. So this is our new shape, a trapezoid. So it looks kind of funny, right? It has one short top, a long bottom, and then two slanted bottoms. But they are also still parallelograms and quadrilaterals because they have two pairs of parallel sides. Because even though it's a smaller top and a bigger bottom, they're still parallel with each other. And because they are still slanted, they are still parallel to each other. So, for example, let's think of a rectangle. A rectangle is a special type of parallelogram because it has four right angles. Okay? But a rhombus is also a special shape because even though it is a parallelogram whose sides are equal in length, it doesn't look like it has 90 degrees. It doesn't look like a square. It doesn't look like a rectangle either. So, like I said, a rectangle and square has equal sides of length, and they also are right angles. So here's a question for you guys. Why are not all rectangles also squares? Can anyone tell me? If you know the answer, write it down below in this assignment, and I'll let you know if it's right. Maybe I'll give you an extra bonus point. But here is why. A rectangle does not always have four sides of equal length. A square always has four sides of equal length. So if I draw a rectangle, are these sides all equal length? No. My two widths are the same, but it's not the same with my length. But if I draw a square, all of my sides are always, that's not a really good square, but all of my sides are going to be the same length, same width. It's always going to be the same. Okay? Okay. So this is a fairly easy lesson today. There you have some homework. I think that there's only two little exercises you need to do in Khan Academy. That would be considered your work. And then, so let's do some follow-up questions for you guys. So I have 3 questions that I want you to write down and submit, and I will grade you off of that as well. But let's do one I'm going to tell you each question. So the first one is, I want you to name 5 different quadrilaterals. 5 different ones. If you go earlier in this video, I showed you 5 different ones. Okay, so you got to rewind a little bit. Okay, second question. Which quadrilaterals have at least one pair of parallel sides? Can you think of it? In your third question, what quadrilaterals have 2 pairs of parallel sides? Okay. So the one we're going to do together is which quadrilaterals have only right angles? I told you guys this in the beginning. I'll give you guys about 5 seconds and then I'll say it. Okay, if your answers was rectangles and squares, You are correct, and have a wonderful